Oh, be careful. Look how good is my husband. He's cleaning all the, what you call this? Rubbish. Yes. He is already a typical Filipino. A native man from Great Britain. Ah. So he clean all. He's a good man. Very good husband. What are you doing? Okay, I will make a plant there. My kangkong, onion, spring, the string beans. This one I don't know yet. I'm still waiting for a vegetables to come in. So until now I don't know what kind of vegetable. And then the okra, pechay, and avocado. I need to transfer it already. And peanuts. So, and aloe vera. So later on, I will transfer it there. Oh, there's already the native British guy live in Bicol, in Iriga. Oops. Why you throw it there? Crazy. You throw it there, that's still... Oh, crazy. Okay.
I'm knackered.
Yeah, so stop it now. Rest. And have your cereal.
Yeah.
Do you let me do your cereal now, or just wait for a minute?
Wait for a minute.
Okay. I guess you need to shower now. Enough.
Yeah, I'll take a shower.
Yeah, enough. Because I don't want you to complain that you are naked, tired. Okay, that's fine, enough. Rest.
Yes, it will.
Yep. So the British guy who become a typical Bicolano. Yeah. So what can you say about Philippines? What can you say about Philippines?
What can I say about the Philippines?
Yeah.
My advice to a Westerner: never marry a Filipino.
Crazy. So why are you here?
Because they're absolutely crazy. Oh dear, only joking. Been here what? 5 months?
Yeah. So
One bad experience in 5 months. It's not too bad.
what's that?
With a stolen phone and
Stolen
tablet.
phone and tablet.
Yeah.
No, I still have one. The cabinet
Well,
being
we
scammed.
got the phone back. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
But
I don't. The
that's the only bad
Samsung.
experience I've had.
Yeah. No, I still have the cabinet.
Hey?
We
Oh,
are
the
being
cabinet,
yeah
forget
we are
that.
being scammed by the cabinet maker in Naga. So
I just forget all about that.
yes.
I don't even
And
think about it anymore.
yeah. So anyway, it's done already.
Yeah.
Forget them and find a good peoples around here. Anyway, they're not only, we can find another one to make. Actually, the painter is good, I guess. For now. Anyway, let's go and come home now. Enough. That's enough for today.
Yeah, that's enough for today.
Yeah.
Have a rest.
Have a rest. Because I don't want you to hear your complaint that you have itchy. You are tired. Okay, come on. So, here we go. This is our house built, but actually this is not yet done. Okay, we have a bad experience in this cabinet because it's been 4 months when they finish all, but it's really bad quality. But now, since we have to retouch everything, it's for now it look nice now. Yeah, so this is our kitchen with our stock food here, the wine inside, but later next time I will show you what inside. For now I just show you around. Okay, this is our living room, but still messy with the helmet around. Yeah, because my husband bought an NMAX. So our plan to have a TV there, but not yet now. So here's the rooftop with the grills, the dining, but we don't have yet a table. Yeah, still messy. And then here's the stock room, still not we still need to paint this one. Yep, this is the stock room. And then our rooftop. So there's still a lot of bamboo here because sometimes we put the tarpaulin when it's very hot. Now it's only 8 o'clock, but it's really hot. And our little kitchen is yeah, it's already Christmas. Yeah, so this is our little kitchen at the rooftop. What's this? Oh, okay, there's a leakage. Okay, this is our kitchen with full of decoration. So next time we need to put a varnish there, a little table, dirty kitchen, of course. And if you can see, if you want to breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen. And this one is Kiss the cook, and it's me. So this one is my medal. Where is it? I cannot find. Okay, the award for distinction silver medal. This is for my culinary studies. And so this is the weather today. Have a nice weather. Yeah. So I'm also making a pot, but still need to dry. And then actually there's still a lot of things to do. Where's my husband? My husband is there, still working. He's busy working. Stop it now. Hey, you cannot hear me. What are you doing? You cannot hear me. Okay, she's cleaning. A British guy who become a native Bicolano. So this is our new door, screen door. Yeah, with our British. Oh, actually, I show you. This is the British flag. See, our British flag. And this one is for, I guess this is, I'll check what flag is this. Right? Okay. Yorkshire born and proud of it. Yeah. My husband is a Yorkshire man. So that flag is for Yorkshire born and proud of it, right? So let's see. We have British flag in our small little house here, and this is our neighbor. Yeah, this is the highway, as I already showed it last time. Neighbor around here. Yeah, so we don't have railings yet. Okay, it's too hot, very hot, so need to go home, need to go inside the house. Yeah, this is a santol tree. I don't know where is my husband. I guess it's done already. Okay, so back home, back inside because it's too hot already. Yeah, okay, so just going back downstairs. Yep. Okay, where are you, my honey? You can see him. Anyway, and I don't know if I can show you the room. My room is very messy, so next time my video will be checking what's inside our cabinet. Yeah, kitchen cabinet and fridge. Okay, have a nice day, and hopefully you will subscribe my channel, Pelias TV. And for those who are not yet subscribing my channel, please subscribe, click the button bell, and like, share, and comment. Thank you.